Hello, friends, family, and beauty pageant contestants. My name is Leah, and today, I'm so excited to share you some great news. So, if you have been noticing, I've changed the name to my YouTube channel, and I've changed the name to my Instagram, TikTok, all of my social media. And we have rebranded. I don't even know how to make this announcement, but we have rebranded, or when I say we, I mean me. It's a one-woman show over here. I have rebranded, and I have decided to start a business of some sorts. So my username used to be Leia the Human because I didn't know what else to call my presence on the internet. But now I definitely want to embrace the business entrepreneurship in me that I have been avoiding for so long. So, we are now Cozy Crochet Co. And when I decided that I was going to rebrand and actually kind of make a name for myself and kind of make a business out of what I'm doing and try to make it into something tangible, I really struggled with the name. Now, let me back up a little bit. At the height of the pandemic, back in 2020, I, like everybody else, started doing crafts at home. I was already a crafty girl, but this was now an excuse, right? I had all this time at home, so I decided that I wanted to start a business. Now, originally it was called Cozy Co, and honestly, I'm probably still going to use the same tags and marketing and stuff from it because I have so much. But I originally had an idea to have like this cozy at home line of products, right? They would be mugs with like inspirational sayings to keep people, uplifted during this hard time. Candles that smelled really, really good and really, really powerful to, enjoy whatever space you're in. I wanted to make like blankets or like make blankets, whether it was handmade or like I would probably like get it manufactured. I wanted to do pajamas. I wanted to do hats. I did end up doing hats, and that's kind of also what started me into crochet. So that was the idea, right? This whole cozy lifestyle brand. And I worked on the candles. It was going great, but then life happened. And I got pregnant, and everything was put at a pause, right? So, and I was doing it all myself, and it was good. I made, I wouldn't say a lot of money, but I made some money from it. Not enough to quit my job at the time, but, then I became a mom, and I had to quit all my jobs to take care of my son. So, wouldn't never trade that for the world. But now I like Cozy Co and the business that I had created always stuck with me in the back of my mind. Like, I always think about, what if I kept going? You know what I'm saying? Now, and looking at things, it wouldn't be really possible for me to keep up what I had, because it would mean a lot of time away from my family, a lot of time away from taking care of my family, or extremely long nights, which I already don't get enough sleep. So I had put it on the back burner for a very long time, and then as of recently, I decided that I was going to pivot and go more into crochet, and instead of making products, designing patterns. Now, I have not I still have no patterns out, but I am working on actually 2 at the same time right now, that hopefully will be out towards the end of March, which is very exciting. And I decided that I wanted to go ahead and claim all the usernames for all the platforms and go ahead and get my business set up. So then when the revenue, because the revenue and the money streams will come, I'm speaking that into existence. So when it does come, I already have everything ready, and my marketing and my branding is there already. So yeah. So I've already changed everything over and got my little logo, which is this little cute guy right here. And yeah, I mean, you'll see a lot more of me and a lot more of crochet specific content. But I also think that it might be like a lifestyle channel as well on my YouTube, where not only we talk about crochet and stuff like that, but also probably like vlogs and just show you my life. I'm really interested to know if you're interested in that type of content, because I know some people aren't, but yeah, I just want to let you guys know. I know I don't normally post on Wednesdays, but I just wanted to get this up really quick for you guys who are probably wondering if you're still on the right channel or subscribed to the right channel, because you are. And there's so many things I can't even talk about all the exciting things that are going to be happening, but some exciting things are going to be happening, and I'm just really looking forward to the success of this business and this new venture and this new journey in my life. And yeah, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm just very excited, and I cannot wait for you guys to be there 100% of the way. Like, when it comes to crochet, I have so many ideas. I have so many ideas when it comes to patterns and exactly what everything's going to look like and my brand is going to be and what I'm going to be giving to people, and how I also have, like, in the back of my mind, like nonprofit things that I want to do, especially giving back to my community when it comes to crochet and fiber arts in general, and not just giving homeless people hats. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's great. I do plan on doing that, but I do want to like do more philanthropy work, and probably do something with like mental health and women and finding a craft and building a business that way. So those are things that I do want to do, and I'm hoping that I can do these things, and Cozy Crochet Co. will be on the top of everybody's list. I mean, not only do I want to do like patterns, but I also, if this gets as lucrative as I think it's going to be, I do want to do like hand dyed yarn. Y'all know I love yarn, and I'm really getting into hand dyed yarn lately, so I kind of want to venture into that, but I'm hoping that we will get to that point. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a little update and let you know what's going on, because I'm pretty sure some of y'all are like, did she change her name? Yeah. It's still me gonna be doing these videos, but I just kind of want like a name that everybody can recognize. And yeah, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I would love if you subscribed to this it's not new, but to this channel, and so you don't miss out on the other things that I have planned. Also, if you could like this video so more people can see this, so more crafty people can see my content, and comment down below, what are your thoughts? Do you like the new logo? Do you like the name? Is it weird or funky to you? I don't know. I like it, and I tried really hard to get away from this, but it just, like, any other name that I came up with just didn't sit right with me. And it's always been Cozy. Cozy with an I. Cozy Co, Cozy Crochet Co, all that good stuff. or cozy for sure. I don't know, but I really want to know, what do you guys think? And in the comments down below, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post new content or go live. I do plan on resuming my live streams next week, and I don't know what the first one will be. I think it might be on Sunday night. It really depends, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.